Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, what's the biggest iPhone problem aside from the high price? Most iPhone users complain about fast battery drain and declining battery health. But if you follow these 10 essential tips, your battery will last longer, and its health will degrade way more slowly. Which of these tips are you already using? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with friends and subscribe, so you don't miss more practical iPhone tips like this. Let's get into it. Tips number 1. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Cellular data drains your battery like crazy. Always use Wi-Fi when you can. Tips number 2. Turn on dark mode and lower your screen brightness. Go to Settings, Display and switch to dark mode, especially if you have an iPhone 10 or newer. It saves a lot of power. Also, keep screen brightness at around 50%, it's easier on the eyes and battery. Tips number 3. Turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, General and disable background app refresh. This feature quietly drains your battery in the background. Tips number 4. Disable unnecessary. In Siri settings, turn off the options that keep Siri active in the background. You don't need her listening all the time. Tips number 5. Avoid charging to 100%. Keep your battery between 20% and 80% for better long-term health. To help with that, enable optimized battery charging in Settings for battery. Tips number 6. Turn off non-essential app notifications. Go to Settings for notifications and disable alerts from apps you don't need. It improves focus and saves battery. Tips number 7. Only use Hotspot when absolutely necessary. Personal hotspot is one of the worst battery killers. Always use the original charger. Fake chargers destroy battery health over time. Turn off VPN when not in use. Leaving your VPN on all the time dramatically increases battery usage. Tips number 10. Fully disable Bluetooth and hotspot from settings. Turning them off from the control center only disconnects them, it doesn't completely disable them. Go into settings and shut them off for real. That's it, and of course I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. And then I'll see you again in the next video.